Hold on. Hold on tight. Squeeze. Go. Go. Good job, big boy. Yeah.
Is that going in?
Hold on. Right, turn around. Turn.
Oh, good job.
Look at you now. Turn. Look at you. Straighten it up and everything. Go. Go straight. Straight. There you go. Go ahead. Go straight. Go. Go ahead. Oh, you doing tricks? Yeah, turn around. Good job. Straighten up. Straight. There you go. Go. Getting this?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, turn around. Turn around. Good job. Straighten up. Straighten the wheel. There you go. You are awesome, man. You'll be ready for a real dirt bike in no time. Daddy wants to go buy you one really soon. Get you started. 2 years old riding a dirt bike by himself.
Straighten it up.
Start you racing really soon, boy. Car, stop. 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 All right, turn. Turn around. Come on. Turn around.
Turn.
Go. Go. Yeah, you're such a big boy. You're so smart. So you got daddy's talent all in you, don't you? Riding bikes just like daddy. Go ahead. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, where you go? You gotta turn around. There you go. Go ahead, ride it. Go. Turn around. There you go. Good job. Good job. Go ahead, go to the house. Go. Got the street cars coming. Come on. Good job. Keep going. All right, stop. Stop. Good job. Give the cars a go. All right, ready? Go ahead. Go.
Oh, yeah.
Leave it on now. Leave your hat on. Ride your bike.
Cool. Only cool dudes wear hats.
Turn around. Turn around.
Whoa!
Look, get up.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, better. Let's go.
I'm lucky I did not get that on camera.
All right, ready? Ready? Let me see. Yay! Big boy. Yay!
I'm lucky I didn't get that on camera.
Huh?
I said I'm lucky I didn't get that on camera.
Good. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Push your button. Go. Good job. All right, turn around.
Turn.
Turn around. Go this way. Turn that way. Good job. Hold on. Good. Go. Push. Watch where you're going. Watch Caitlin. Watch where you're driving. Turn around. Good job. Straighten up. Straighten up.
over. Get me out of the wheel, mister, or I'm going to have to pull you over.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. You got that. Ooh, yay. Ride. Go. Ride that bike. Come on. Go. Oh, hit the button. Watch out. Daddy fix the button. Go ahead. Hold on. There we go.
Follow me.
All right, ready? Turn around. Turn around, Jack. Turn. Good job.
I only have one more minute to record him.
Right, let's see him get a good picture of him.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
All right, turn around.
Turn.
Daddy, turn around, Daddy. Good job. Good job. Straighten up. Go. Go get her.
Follow me, Jackson.
Jalen.
Follow me.
Go get her. Go.
Car. So I'm going to have to pull you over.
There you go.
So I'm getting in the turn lane, bozo. Oh, God.
Go ahead, go.
Oh, no.
Go back to the house. Go. There you go. Good save. That was a good save. Look how you experienced that. JJ. Yeah. Hi. Oh, plane. Yeah, I see the plane. Go in the driveway. Go this way. Gotcha. Ha-ha. Three-wheeling it only, boy. Driveway. Go there. Good job. Good driving, big boy. Go ahead. Go to the house. Go. Push the button. Go. Push the button. Don't worry about the plane. Go. Hold on and go. Go. Ride. Look at Jalen. Look at JJ. Go get her. Hurry up.
30 more seconds.
3 seconds. Ready? Right in the light. There you go. All done. Good job, buddy. Turning the gate. Good job.
Park it.
Ready?
Ooh.
There you go. All done. Park. Ready? Stop right there. All right, stop. Stop. Here we go.